Hello everyone, welcome to Nagma's Tech World. In today's demo, I'm going to show you a live text analytics dashboard built with Pragmatic AI. So what does that mean? Basically, we have a tool that can analyze text messages in real time and organize them into categories and displays the result in a clean dashboard. Here it works like this. It takes messages from a text file and it processes and categorizes them using a mix of simple rules and pre-trained AI models. This makes it fast and efficient here. Okay, the categorized data is stored in a database. Finally, you can see everything in real time with graphs and tables on a Streamlit dashboard. Here we have to know why pragmatic AI solutions are needed in 2025. Today's businesses handle a huge amount of text data, okay? Things like customer queries, social media comments, and logs. So, doing this manually takes a lot of time and money. Here, we need to understand that Pragmatic AI is all about practical and cost-effective solutions, and it uses existing tools and pre-trained models to give quick results without complex setups. Okay. In our demo, we use this approach to categorize and visualize text data instantly, which saves time and helps businesses to make better decisions. Now that we understand what this system does, right, let's talk about where it's actually used in the real world and which industries benefit the most. First, we will see the key use cases here. First is customer support automation. Imagine retail or tech companies receiving thousands of support tickets daily. Here, these solutions can automatically sort them into categories like billing or technical issues and cutting response time by up to 70 to 80%. And big companies like Microsoft use similar approaches in their AI tools. And the predictive maintenance in manufacturing. Factories can't afford downtime, okay, by analyzing machine logs in real time. This system predicts failures before they happen. That means less downtime and more savings. Companies like Trotec and Hatchworks rely on this. And personalized marketing, healthcare insights, financial services also we have. In personalized marketing, advertising feedback is gold. Okay, AI categorizes customer comments and sentiments, which helping brands target the right audience with the right campaigns and boosting engagement significantly. In healthcare and insights, hospitals use this technology to analyze patient notes and identify the patterns, like spotting common symptoms early or improving scheduling efficiency. This translates to better patient care. And financial services, banks and fintech firms use this to classify transaction queries or flag potential fraud quickly, which making financial systems more secure and responsive. Now, which domains benefited from this? Here we have some domains like manufacturing domain uses for equipment monitoring and predictive maintenance, healthcare domain uses for faster patients data analysis, and finance domain uses for fraud detections and quick query handling. Retail and marketing domain uses for personalized campaigns, and software and tech also uses for analyzing system logs and improving products. Here, the gaming and entertainment also uses for processing user feedback, and legal services also uses for quickly sorting through huge volumes of documents. So what we have to understand here is any industry dealing with large volumes of text can leverage Pragmatic AI because it's fast, affordable, and already transforming in the businesses. So whether you are a factory manager or a hospital administrator or a marketing professional, this approach has the power to transform the way you handle the data and decision. Now we will understand the step-by-step demo guide. Here we need to install the required Python libraries by running pip install streamlit transformers torch plotly pandas command. Next, create a file named app.py and paste the given code inside. Now finally, start the app with the streamlit run app.py, and here your dashboard will open in the browser and is ready to use. Next, we need a sample text file to simulate incoming messages just like a real pops up and data stream. Okay, here create a file called sample.txt and add some example messages, one per line, like this I have given in the below, like invoice not received order, or app crashes on startup, please fix, and suggest adding a dark mode to your app, etc. So here these sample messages cover real world cases such as billing issues, technical problems, feedback, and even spam. Now let's run the dashboard. When you open it your browser, you will see a title, a short description, and a sidebar menu. In the sidebar, upload the sample.txt file which we have created earlier, and once you upload it, the magic will happen here. You all see your messages getting processed instantly, and also graphs will update in real time with the results. Here, look at the dashboard is live. We have 3 stunning graphs. The bar chart shows messages counts per category, like 2 in billing, 3 in technical issue, and the colors make it clear here: blue for billing, red for technical issue, and so on. The pie chart shows how we categorize the most used fast rules, and while some used AI here, and the scatter plot displaying AI confidence scores so that you will know which ones need review. Next, use the drop down to filter by category. The tables update instantly, okay, showing messages confidence used and timestamps as well. Here it's all paginated, so that's the reason navigation is smooth. The best part is everything updates live when new data comes in, just like a real-time system, which is simple, clear, and powerful. Now let's go through the code step by step. I'm going to explain it clearly, and I hope you all understand everything. First of all, this file is called app.py. So here this is our main file, okay, and its job is to create a real-time analytic dashboard using Streamlit library, okay, and here we have imported some Python libraries that we need for this project to work, okay. Imported Streamlit library for creating the web dashboard, and SQLite for sorting, storing data, and pandas for data handling, and so on. We have imported some libraries here, as you can see. Then after we initialize zero shot classifier from Hugging Face library, okay. Here this is a pre-trained AI model, okay, that can classify text without any extra training. So here no need to build a model from scratch, we just use it as it is, and we have defined categories like billing, spam, and feedback, the same as we used in our basic email demo earlier. Reference, you can go and check that video as well, okay. And now for fast categorization, we create a keyword rules. These are simple checks. If a message contains certain words like invoice or error, we instantly assign it a category, okay, and we have applied function that applies these keyword rules, and if it finds a match, it returns the category. If not, it returns none. And the category is text using Pragmatic AI and rules, okay, rules first, okay, it means AI model as a fallback. Here the category text using Pragmatic AI rules, Pragmatic AI rules first, AI model as a fallback. It means first it will try the rules because they are fast, right, and after, if the rules don't work here, it will use the AI model as a fallback to decide the category, okay. That's why we are importing this categorized text using the Pragmatic AI here, okay. After we set up a SQLite database here it's a lightweight database where we store all the messages along with their categories for later analysis, and here on the sidebar we add some controls and information, okay. This is where the user can upload files and select the option which we give in the analytic dashboard. And now comes in the interesting part is simulating pops up. Here's how we need to understand this pops up. I will give one example, okay, to understand the pops up, okay. Think about YouTube. When I upload a new video, I am the publisher, right, so you are the subscribers, okay. So here I don't send the video link to each person manually, right, so instead YouTube automatically notifies all subscribers, like, so that's what exactly here happens. Okay, when we upload a file, that's like a publishing an event. So our app is subscribed to that event. Okay, so the moment the file is uploaded, it processes the data automatically and updates the dashboard there, right? Like that it will work. The pops up will work. Okay, now finally we create a live statistics and visualization here. The charts that show the category distribution, which method was used, and how confident the AI model was in its own predictions. So that all these checks, which this makes the dashboard interactive and easy to understand. Okay, that's what our code is doing. Category distribution and method breakdown. Okay, and AI confidence to AI confidence scores. Okay, so we can see the data visually. So here live statistics and visualization. This part creates live charts, category distribution, method breakdown, and AI confidence score, so that we can see the data visually. This is what all about our code. That's all for today's demo. Thank you so much for staying till the end. I hope you learned something new about Pragmatic AI today. If you found this helpful, give it a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical AI demos. See you in the next video. Stay curious and keep learning. Have a good day.